Today is Tuesday, January 23rd, and this is another update on my progress beating the S&P 500 along with the Ark Innovation ETF. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. I went ahead and sold completely out of Tesla. I've been holding on to it, having a little bit of hope that maybe it would rebound, but they report their earnings on Wednesday and I'm already down over 13%, so I don't want anything to do with that. It might go up, it might go down, but I've washed my hands clean of it and I'll chalk it up as a lesson learned. I did go ahead and double my positions in DraftKings, Spotify, Meta, and Microsoft. They've had a pretty good run and I see it continuing, so I definitely wanted to have a little bit more exposure than what I already did. I might end up hanging on to these ones for quite a while. We'll just have to see what the market does. So since Monday, I went ahead and got into 4 new positions. I put 4% of my portfolio each into Home Depot, Take-Two Interactive, and PayPal. And then I went ahead and put 3% of my portfolio into Paychex. I was seeing some pretty good things from these companies, and it actually worked out pretty well because I was looking to add new positions. These are all my currently held positions. Right now, my top 5 are Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia, Spotify, and Apple. And those 5 stocks account for just below 40% of my entire portfolio. I'm pretty much 80% invested and 20% sitting in cash, which I do feel pretty good about. I think if the market does dip a little bit, it's not going to dip too far, and I don't want to miss out on any big gains. So I feel like this is the best option moving forward. Nvidia is still my biggest gainer right now with a 19.12% gain. And since getting rid of Tesla, Dollar Tree is currently my biggest loser, accounting for 8.67% loss. I didn't have nearly as much exposure in this one as I did Tesla, so this one I probably will let slide a little bit farther before I decide to cut ties with it. But at this point, it would take quite a bit for me to buy more. So since Monday, my portfolio grew 0.09%, while the S&P 500 grew 0.51%, and the Ark Innovation ETF saw a gain of 2.38, which brings us year to date. My portfolio has gained 3.39% against the S&P 500's 2.54% gain, and the Ark Innovation ETF currently has a loss of 6.18%. So that's all I got for today. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Sunday.